Let's compare the Swiffer Wetjet to the oCedar Broom. So the Swiffer Wetjet is designed for cleaning really like stuck-on dirt on the floor, spills, that kind of thing. And it's got a pad on here that's removable. It's got a pump and a little thing of cleaning solution. And we can basically blast this out onto the floor and then scrub and get those stuck-on messes off. The oCedar Broom, on the other hand, is your traditional broom and dustpan combo. It's more for sweeping and kind of making almost like a little pile out of your dirt and dust. And then you can take off the dustpan on here. It just pops off, sweep that stuff in, and then throw the stuff away. So I find that the oCedar Broom really is best for bigger dirt and dust. If I go to the beach and I track some sand into the house, for example, it's great for that. The Wetjet is really best for those stuck-on stains and things. If you wear muddy shoes and you walk in the house or anything like that, it's great for getting those off. Or if you spill something, those sticky kinds of messes on the floor, the Wetjet's great for. The oCedar, again, larger items like if you spill some cereal or sand or anything, that'll quickly saturate the pad on the Wetjet. But the oCedar, you can pick all that up and just throw it out. The other nice thing with the oCedar is you don't have to replace the pads, the batteries, or the cleaning solution like you do with the Wetjet. The downside is that you do have to do that extra step of using the dustpan to pick up the dirt versus with the Swiffer, when you're done, you just peel that pad off and recycle it or throw it away.